Guys, I just took pictures. I don't know, I think 3 or 4 pictures. Then started recording again because in my eyes it's not good. It's not a good view. I only rely today on my camera. If the camera can portray the beauty, I'm just trying to take pictures because honestly, cell phone that I'm this cell phone is uh it's very clear. That's why I always want to borrow this cell phone. But this cell phone has no memory card and it has low storage. So most of the time I'm using this cell phone, my cell phone. I rarely use this camera, honestly. Today I think last month is the last time where I used this camera to take pictures, and I only use this today, trying to get some good pictures because I don't rely. Even I think even if I took camera using this cell phone, my cell phone, then uh, even no matter how I edit it, I think it's not good still. So let's see. So unlike this, it is very green using this cell phone. Let's rotate. So something like this. Oh, like this. It's very clear in this cell phone. Although it's very clear in the cell phone, of course, I need to delete the videos, pictures in the cell phone so that I would be able to record in this using the cell phone. But I hate honestly, I hate sharing it. I don't know. I just want to publish it or post it on time. When I took pictures, then when I go home, when I have time, then I'll post it on time. I don't have but honestly, that's not the characteristic of photographers because good photographer really analyze the photo, even though it's beautiful. But of course, every arts, just like arts and music, every music has story in it. Most especially the art that most people uh, miss or don't understand about art, even if especially if they see a naked human art, whether it's a boy or girl, they will laugh about it. Some of them will laugh about it. Then some especially serious ones will say but they will comment as if they are very matured, something like why would do they who who would be an artist who paint an art like this? Why in any other arts, other things to paint, it is a nude, something like that? But uh, that's where they misinterpret the meaning of the art. Especially, actually, even me. Uh, I also I'm just taking pictures. Sorry, guys. I also I I'm also very serious about it. But when I learned, I think grade 12, my grade 12, about arts and music, dances. That's where I open my mind about those nudity, nude art, something like that. Because when I see nude art, I feel like, what in the world? Something like that. Whose idea is this? Something like that. Or why would this be famous if it is a nude paint? But I can't get it. But little did I know that there's a deep meaning in the paint. So honestly guys, I'm now going home. Halfway home. The view is let's see. Let's see. I don't know the honestly comparing the way I comparing the beauty of the pictures that I'm taking pictures today, or I've taken this year or last year. They are very wonderful and beautiful, but of course the Facebook, we all know that the Facebook will always see when 1 year passed by that you have posted the date you have posted the post on Facebook, then the Facebook will notify you about its memory, something like that. So every time I see a memory of my posts, then I'll share it. And when I see those pictures, I think they are far more better than today. Even though what I'm doing way back in the past was just natural without editing. Comparing today, some of the images I edit them. So don't know. Actually, way back 2023 or 2022, I don't know. I just want to sell those pictures. There are some on Facebook, but there are many, I think 5 or 6 of them have contacted me on Facebook about buying the photos that I have posted, but I noticed that they are scammer, because deep in my mind I just posted it on internet, so they are free. In my mind they are free to, because especially it's in Facebook, everything you see in photos on Facebook or videos you can download it freely. So that's what in my mind, they can just download the image, then they just post it, and they can sell it, then earn from it, because they knew how to the platform or the website where to sell those, while me, I don't know. But they are teaching me what website would I use. Then after they purchase, there's no signing, something like that. They just they pick some of my pictures, then they just want to send it. They just want me to send it to them, then I send it to them, even though I tell them to just download it. All my photos, they just download it. But that's where I realized that, wow, this could be real. It's not a scam, because they really want me to send it to them, even though they are free to download it on their own and own it. But the way they pay, I don't know if that's real, because it's not in peso, it's not in dollar. I don't know. I think about Bitcoin, PX, something like those. But on, I don't know how to withdraw it, something like that, because if you withdraw it, there are some adjustment of the currency. So I just mark it as a scam because all of those, they guide me to other platforms. Some of them, they are in same platforms, but I did not continue dealing with them. Freelancing could be, but I think freelancers needs an expert or pro. It's a real photographer, and I'm only using my cell phone, so still no chance about it. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have learned something on my videos, my explanations, the way I talk. And please comment down below what you suggest, and I'll do it. So I think I'll end the video now, because even though if I don't end this video, I'll just keep quiet, because there are people there in front of me. I'm shy. Honestly, I'm shy. Introverts are always shy. Introvert is always an introvert. Unless they get drunk. Unless they get drunk, or they have a vices, something like alcohol, smoking, tobacco, mama, gambling. Because honestly, if you are I just noticed and observed that actually there are also in our barangay, I'm not the only introvert here, but there are also many. But I realized that they convert themselves, or they conquered themselves through socializing. Of course, if they got drunk, they will hang out with those who drinks, those who smoke, those who moma, those who gamble. So they will make friends, and so on and so on. So for me, I think I can only conquer myself. Also, if I have vices, but deep in my mind, I better not think. I'll make myself. I promise to myself that if it is better for me to be an introvert. There's nothing wrong with it. Unless there's nothing wrong with it. Comparing to you get drunk and you are the problem with your family or with the community, then that's the problem. You will fight, something like that. So guys, I think that's it. I'll end the video here. Thank you guys.